it is. Push the green light. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the... That's perfect. Super cool. We're always happy to help. Let's go find that toy. That's perfect. Just slice or tap it to open. What type of wagon should we pull? That's the way! Only the boldest of engines will try Cannonball Curve. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Good job! Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Let's get this back on track. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Good job! Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Super! We all love your train set. Time to pick a new toy. It's super easy to find a new toy. Just look for the beam of light. Where to now? Left leads to Tidmouth Sheds. The rolling bridge is just there. Look, that boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass. Excellent! Great! Thanks a lot for your help.